So I'm one of the newer scientists here. I started more or less exactly 1 year ago in November last year, and I'm an environmental chemist. So I'm interested in what is the fate of pollutants in marine environment. And what excites me most about, if I look back 1 year and forward to the next year, is that I had the chance to explore avenues of my research, to build up my research portfolio. And one aspect is that there were a lot of smaller projects that materialized that are going to happen next year that really excite me. So one of these would be oil weathering in the Arctic. There is an increasing interest in Arctic environment, and we are going to have the opportunity to explore how oil weathers in Arctic environment. PCPs in dogfish. There's like a large amount of dogfish out there that are a good potential for commercial application, commercial harvesting, but there are a lot of unknown questions about pollutants in them. I got to be involved in a project that explores toxicity of oil for killifish in nearshore environments. And I have a project that is going away from pollutants more to natural systems, because a lot of processes that that happen to pollutants can also be applied to natural systems, in this case dissolved organic matter, to figure out what is the fate of increasing dissolved organic matter input in the Gulf of Maine that is happening due to climate change. So this will be more smaller projects that are going to happen. I'll also quickly talk about one project that is going to be taking place in the next couple of years. I was involved in the Gulf of Mexico oil spill, and there we found that a lot of the oil that is degraded is actually not completely out of sight, so it's not just mineralized and away, but it produces recalcitrant products that are in the Gulf of Mexico and are pretty much staying around there. So when we want to know more about what is the fate of hydrocarbons in the ocean, not just after oil spills, but also from natural seeps. So we're going to have a cruise next year where we're going to visit some natural seeps in the Gulf of Mexico and look at how oil degrades under natural conditions.